Every year, farms in New Zealand export millions of sheep to various countries around the world, including China, the Middle East, Australia, and the United Kingdom. This exportation not only boosts the economy, but also brings in enormous profits, reaching millions of dollars. One of the main reasons these farms don't process the sheep locally, but instead opt for export, is due to limited processing technology in many regions. Furthermore, the value of exporting sheep is much higher than processing them locally, making this a more economically viable option. By exporting, they can achieve a higher value for sheep products in countries with more developed processing technology. The main method of exporting sheep is via sea transport, a safe and efficient shipping method. The sheep are first transported from the farms to trucks. The small, cheerful sheep eagerly board the trucks, seemingly as if they are going on a long trip. After all the sheep are loaded, the driver carefully checks and secures the truck to ensure it is safely closed for the journey. The truck then transports the sheep to the nearest port. At the port, the sheep are transferred onto large ships, ready for the long sea voyage. Once on board, the sheep begin their journey, which can last several days or even weeks, depending on the distance and shipping conditions. During the journey, the sheep are provided with ample food and water to ensure they don't go hungry or thirsty. On board, workers are constantly monitoring and supervising the sheep throughout the transportation process. Their job is to check the sheep's health, ensure none are sick, and prevent any accidents or losses during the journey. When the ship arrives at the destination port, the sheep are transferred back onto trucks and driven to processing factories. At these factories, products made from sheep, such as wool, sheep's milk, and lamb meat, are processed for both domestic consumption and export. These processing plants are often large and use modern technology to handle, preserve, and process sheep products effectively, maximizing their economic value. Next, let's learn about the wool gathering process. Once the wool is long enough and meets the standards, the sheep are gently led by workers to the shearing area. To ensure the sheep feel at ease, this process is done gently and safely. The sheep remain calm as workers carefully trim the wool, as if they're relieved of a burden. Shearing not only keeps them cooler in the summer, but also provides a valuable source of wool for textile products. After harvesting, the wool undergoes several steps to become high-quality yarn. First, it is cleaned to remove impurities and dirt. Then, each strand of wool is straightened, spun into long, soft yarn. From here, the yarn goes through a weaving process to create a variety of products such as sweaters, scarves, blankets, and many other items. These products are not only visually appealing, but also provide excellent warmth, making them highly popular. Besides wool, sheep milk is also a very nutritious and valuable product. Rich in protein, beneficial fats, and numerous health-boosting nutrients, sheep milk offers exceptional benefits. After lambing for a few weeks, the mother sheep are taken to the milking area. Here, workers carefully clean and inspect the milk quality to ensure it consistently meets the highest standards. Once collected, the milk is transported to factories for processing into premium sheep milk products, supplying abundant nutrients to consumers. When the milk arrives at the factory, it goes through filtering and pasteurization to eliminate bacteria and unwanted impurities, while still preserving important natural nutrients. Next, the milk is adjusted and supplemented with additional components if needed. Then it moves on to the homogenization stage, which gives the milk a smooth consistency and uniform flavor. Finally, there's the packaging stage, where the milk is poured into thoroughly sterilized bottles, cartons, or packaging. These milk bottles are sealed tightly, then labeled with information about the expiration date, source, and nutritional value before being distributed to consumers. The entire production process is closed-loop, ensuring hygiene and food safety, so each product meets the highest quality standards and provides peace of mind for users. Finally, we cannot overlook the lamb meat production process. Lamb is not only a delicious food, but also rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. It is a common ingredient in many cuisines worldwide, including in countries like China, India, and Myanmar. When sheep reach the standard weight, they are taken to the meat processing plant. Here, the entire process, from slaughtering to packaging, is conducted humanely and under strict sanitary measures, using modern machinery to ensure food safety and quality for consumers. In this way, sheep are not just gentle and adorable animals, they also provide diverse resources, from wool and milk to meat, bringing significant economic value to humans. I hope that through this video, you've gained a deeper understanding of the processes involved in rearing and producing sheep products. Let's cherish and appreciate these friendly animals, reducing unnecessary slaughter, and instead utilizing their natural products like wool and milk for sustainable value. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to motivate me to create more beneficial content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.